Namaskaram, everyone. This is Satya, a wonderful and to my YouTube page. And today we are in Beyond Urban, and here we have got the food. And you know what we'll do now?
I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one more night I'm falling out about. I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one that's way up on and from above. I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one more night I'm falling out about. I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one that's way up on and from above.
Today we are in a rural retreat. In other words, called as Beyond Urban Retreat. So today we are in a place that is filled with trees all around. And if you know how I reached this place, in this road. So there is amazing road till here. So accessibility बहुत easy है. एकदम Bangalore से take this Kankapura road, come straight, and then you are here in Beyond Urban Retreat. And the first thing my boyfriend asked when we came here to the property management, hey, is this a nursery of some kind? Because there are so many plants around. They're like, no. We bought all those plants to plant only. So if you can see here, there are so many palm trees, coconut trees, and I am also in this beautiful sari that is mimicking the flowers and everything, because बहुत सारे flowers भी है. There are some things over here like literally like a smallest orange, but teachers say no कि जो भी दिख जाए don't eat whatever you see. Maybe that applies here, you're not eating that. But saying all of that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, accessibility is 5. Chal. Now literally not every small thing is dangerous. Huh? This actually becomes this. So this is a pomegranate tree, and there are literally so many of them. Idhar dekho, udhar dekho. Now we don't eat it. It has to still grow. So let's go to the other tree. అయ్యో హైట్ చిన్నదైపోయిందే. వెయిట్, ఉసిరికాయలు. I love amla. Now here's a question for you. What does this face look like? Much simpler question to you. What does this fruit look like? Don't remember? You should see my Wayanad vlogs. Now go watch Lex Bray. Okay, before that, watch this. So this is pomelo fruit on the tree, and this is pomelo fruit on the ground. Small detour from exploring the plants, and here are our rooms. So these are the cottage stays that we have, and we are staying in number 3. Now this is our cottage. अच्छा, अगर तुम कपल आओगे और तुम्हारे साथ कोई थर्ड व्हीलिंग करेगा तुम्हारा फ्रेंड, उसके लिए ये बेड है. For us it is Yashashvi's bed. So he's another friend of mine who always gives us his bike for all our journeys. So that is his bed, and this is ours, and this is the small bathroom, but currently this is the dining dressing area. ठीक है, और आज का साड़ी मैंने इधर ही पहना है. Okay. So I would love some seating here, so that as a batkar we could have, it will be nice. Other than that, there is closet space there. That part in dressing area bhi hai, which is again nice, and inside it is all good. Actually chada pattustundi to the wood, so that they should take care of. But saying all of that, it's a nice room. It's a very nice room. and the view from the room, you have to see this. Just come behind me. So अगर मैं इधर से बाहर आऊंगी तो अच्छा वाला व्यू भी है इधर. So that is what I liked here. And seeing all of that, अगर amenities की बात करें, there are like kettle, ये सब कुछ kettle और AC और your mini fridge, ये सब कुछ तो नहीं है. You have the basic thing which is geyser, which is very necessary that they are providing. That is nice. But बाकी सब कुछ नहीं है. But seeing all of that, the room looks pretty decent, and it's a cottage stay with a nice view. So we will give room a 4. 4. 4 is a good rating for the room. So अभी जाएंगे to explore more plants. Now what is that fruit called? If you have commented down that you're good, नहीं तो you're not watching my vlogs entirely. Okay. Good. जाके Green Palace Ayurvedic Resort Alleppey देख लो. This is called Java apple. It is it's very healthy, he said. He is a doctor that in that place. So that's Java apple. And ये खा सकते हो. ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ దొరికితే తినచ్చు కూడా అవి. So now we are going to the most aesthetic part of this resort. Actually सब aesthetic है, but इधर कुछ ज़्यादा ही aesthetics है. ठीक है, you can see a lot of छोटू छोटू plants and वो वाला decoration भी amazing वाला amazing. तो हम अभी जा रहे हैं to the pool. So now the pool is actually beyond the pool because the view and everything. तो view मतलब pool ही view है. तो आ जाओ वो देखते. Here's where the plantations, like new plantings are going. Actually this resort is quite new and it started in the August only since. So इसलिए सब बहुत nicely है. So if you come also, make sure you keep everything nice and clean. Not that they cannot clean or something. It's just your way towards the nature कि हाँ I will take care of you, like that kind of. हम pool को obviously we are not in the right attire to go to the pool right now. So pool बाद में करेंगे, but let's go to this area. अच्छा. Oh, this is really good. Ante, who gives a nice wash machine right there? Like, किसने सोचा होगा? So that's nice. Also light over here. पानी भी आ रहा है. So according to my boyfriend, this is a fireplace, and the entire setup which has the fire in it, they're going to come and put it here, is what he's thinking. If that is the case, मतलब सोचो यार इधर barbecue रखा होगा. They can eat all the mayonnaise gajibiji that will happen on your fingers, no? That you can wash it off here. I hate people eating mayonnaise, okay? I really hate them. That is one person who is eating mayonnaise. Okay, now चलो रेन डांस भी देखते हैं. एक्चुअली दे टोल्ड कि आफ्टर पूल आ जाओ, रेन डांस में अच्छे से नाच लेना. सो वील हैव टू नो व्हाट इज द टाइमिंग्स फॉर द रेन डांस एज वेल. एंड सो बट पहले इधर से देख लो फिर जाएंगे, है ना. इधर देखो वो वाला एरिया इज आ रेन डांस. तो आ जाओ. ओ भाई ये प्लान सोच रहे होंगे చాలా బాగున్నాయి చాలా బాగున్నాయి అని చాలా తొక్కేస్తుంది మనని అని అనుకుంటున్నాయి. బట్ యా ఆల్సో if you can glance out some of the trees around and you say कि ये वाला ट्री ये है तो points मिलेगा. हाँ. एंड मेरे को गूगल यूट्यूब क्या करता है, this is just a insider thing. So Google what it does, it gives small coupons कभी कभी, like 300 rupees का, 1000 rupees का, all of that. And most of the time it is in your PayPal account or you get it in a Flipkart coupon. तो मेरे पास बहुत सारे Flipkart coupons है. अगर किसी ने कमेंट कर दी मैं उनको एक कूपन दूंगी. How much ever the value, but you're getting the coupon, okay? Doing weekend farming at Beyond Retreat. So yeah, this place is nothing like near Bangalore because Bangalore का हवा इतना clean होता है क्या? It's beyond imagination. So yeah, so as you can see, this is the very aesthetic corner which has everything is aesthetic. I'm telling too many aesthetic this time. So this is the restaurant, and वो tables देखा, tables और chairs, blue accent, okay, they are like popping so much. And this side, this is the rain dance area, and आजा. And also बहुत I'm telling you, beautiful plants are here. So if you're a plant lover, you can just come, कट करके पॉकेट में रख के ले जाओ. So yeah, it's nice plants you have got, and you can see that they're growing also. That means plant में दम है. So now it's lunch time at Beyond Urban Retreat, and we have buffet today. And let's see what all items do we have. We have salad over here. This is chicken starter, which we are not having. This is, yeah, we like these. Papad, pulka. Oh, we have veg Manchurian, mixed veg curry, jeera rice, some rice, which we'll have later, sambar, sweet, some semia payasam. Okay, let's try these first. So now we are having the lunch, and this is the plate. We have plated everything well and nice, and currently behind you can see the restaurant, and as you can see here, there are a lot of items, and all the items look so nicely made and everything. So I think they have a dedicated kitchen. So if you have come here with a group of people, a huge group, then you get nice food like this with veg and non-veg options, which are nice. So we'll try them out and see how they taste. And of course we are eating all the 3 courses of meals, so treating बाद में होगा. It's nice actually. One.
I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one more night I'm falling out about. I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one that's way up on and from above. I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one more night I'm falling out about. I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one that's way up on and from above.
Watersoul is already wet, and get ready to witness the Watersoul factor, because Watersoul loved this pool. And so, mic is still not waterproof. Who is giving me the mic? Who? Okay, so now this is the pool of Beyond Urban, and now let's discuss the Watersoul factor. So Watersoul factor, we are going to discuss it this way. Who is this resort for? This resort is for couples, this resort is for birthday gatherings. You have seen that fire pit, whatever we are saying, no? That is actually a birthday celebration place. So amazing. I mean, you can celebrate your birthday right next to the pool. So कुछ लोग इधर chill हो सकते हैं, पर उधर भी party हो सकती है. So that is those kind of celebrations. Corporate outings, because they can accommodate up to 50 people in total in these rooms. Actually, Watersoul love this property so much, because फिर से लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं. Which I love the park, because it's always the connect with the people that we expect. And काम तो आया हो गया फिर भी. So that's that. And saying all of that, I'm going to give Watersoul factor a 4.5 out of 5. And remember this Gilly? Vailada review देख लो, Vailada Valley, Vailada Valley Resort review देख लो. उसमें I am fat. I mean, I love saying fat, and it's not normal. It's a nice way, because body positive, we are always positive about ourselves. So that's all. And now I look like this, and it is also a very big confident boost, I can say. So okay, we'll see what we do next. So the best part of traveling or staycationing in a resort in winters is campfire. Night को अच्छा वाला ठंड मिलेगी, नहीं ठंड होगा. So it's a nice place to stay warm. Also, as you can see, there are a lot of seating here. So friends can come around here and karaoke गा सकते हो, ये सब कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. And also bring your food, eat near the hot place in a cold environment. It's all a nice aesthetic. So that is why maybe हर resort जहाँ पर भी गए हैं, there is a provision for campfire. एकदम कट्टलो, you have to put like this, and then नीचे the easily burnt stuff, which is a nice pouring kerosene right now to increase the flame. But yeah, बीच में you have to put easily burnt stuff like the gaddi, parka, all of that, grass and everything, dried grass. So yeah, it keeps burning. This is the next morning from the Beyond Urban Retreat, and today we are in Gavi Rangaswamy Betta. And from here, actually, the view, this is like 6 to 8 kilometers from our resort, and it is from here. This is the top, right?
Yeah.
Here, this is the peak of this Betta, and from here you can see, if there's clear visibility and less fog, you can actually see 30 kilometers of radius of the town. So that is the specialty here. Also, we have come from a place, we have also gone to the cliff and seen monkeys and all of that also. While we go back also, we are going to see a lake. The lake is called
VB
V
van
Van.
and B for bat.
Hallikere.
Hallikere.
So it's VB Hallikere. Kere is lake, you guys. So we'll be seeing that as well. Also, I've seen while we were coming yesterday, there was one Singarapura Raju Kere also. This one, yeah, Singarajpura. Okay, this is today, which is good for sunset, I've heard. So that lake we'll see next. You have got abundance of nature around, and you can see that there's too much of plants they are growing. There's fruit plants, everything, and pomelo fruits though they are very big. So all of that. So saying all of that, we'll give nature a 4.5 out of 5. Finally, it's the last course of meal, and somehow it's the first course of the day. So it's time for breakfast. Actually, we don't usually eat all the courses of meals. No, we eat only sometimes. Before dieting and all, when we used to do like that. So एक ही बार खाते थे. So now actually eating food has become a work for me because I have to eat every time and record it as well. So yeah, feeling pressure to eat. But then now in breakfast we have got some puri, curry, kesari bath, fruits, bread toast, pulav and raita as well for some reasons, and some chutney. So let's eat them. I really like puri. I don't like to order puri, so whenever I'm in a resort or something, I go for puri. It's nice. It's nice. It's really nice. So saying all of that, we can give food a nice amount on it, because we have got all the 3 courses of meals. They said a la carte is available. When there are like few guests available, only 2-3 guests, a couple has come, they need food. Yes, there is availability of a la carte. But as my boyfriend said yesterday, if he wants to eat chicken tikka burger right now, he might not able to eat that. So saying all of that, and the restaurants nearby are also not so close, they are very far only. So I would give food a proper 3.5 out of 5. It's a nice, homely, clean food. Everything looks delicious, everything looks very hygienic. So we are going to give 3.5. So that's Beyond Urban Retreat for you, and we have all the ratings in front. So the final rating is also beyond 4. It's 4.3. If you like this resort, do leave a comment, like, share and subscribe. And also subscribe to my channel to see more of the weekend getaways around Bangalore. So also, if you see somewhere around there is a bell icon, do click that and subscribe to me and get my notifications. Okay, bye. Alalai, alalai, alai, alai, aye.